Hey guys, this is Mr. Book, and today we're going to be talking about a program that's launching today called Everzippy. Obviously, if you're watching this video in a month or something like that, it's not launching today, but what I'm trying to say is that it's launching. And this software, Everzippy, is an SAAS, which basically means software as a service, which means that you don't have to download anything, and it allows you to do so much stuff because it gives you the two most important things related to making a big amount of money online. See, normally when you do ebooks and training, you get small amount of money. If you sell, let's say you sell an ebook and you sell it for $7 and you're getting only $7 every time. So you need to sell a lot of ebooks in order to make a lot of money. But if you have high tickets, then you reduce the amount of stuff you have to sell in order to make a very decent amount of money. So how do you do that? Well, through webinars. And this software gives you those two options. It gives you the option to automate webinars. So once you are automating webinars, then you can sell high ticket products because you can invite people. You have a presentation. Normally it takes at least an hour. Sometimes I've seen webinars that go over 2 hours. And where all the different options that people get like presented with all the different benefits and things that are good that will make this person really, really desire to get that product. And then they go ahead and buy it. And that way, normally you have a person, live who's presenting this information. And then after that, he says, okay, this is the amount of time you have to buy. Normally it's a very reduced window of time that you get, and then you buy or you don't, but you have this fear of missing out feeling, and because they do it the right way. So the interesting thing with this software is that can be recorded and then automatically just presented, and the person that comes and visits and watches the webinar actually believes that it's a live webinar. And you can say that because this thing has an option to have a live like type of webinar that looks exactly like as if the person was actually there presenting it. So before I show you all the different options about how this looks, let me also remind you that at the end I'm going to be talking about the bonuses that I'm offering for this particular launch. So let's jump onto the computer to see the software. The name of the software is Everzippy. I don't know why they called it Zippy. Okay, I understand. It's a webinar that is pre-recorded and it goes and runs automatically. So it's, you could say this is evergreen, right? So Everzippy, I don't know, Zippy makes me think about WinZip or 7-Zip or software that compresses stuff, but the important thing is that it works. So let's go onto the computer and see what it does. This is the dashboard of this software called Everzippy, and these are the different things that you can do with it. For instance, let me first, and you can see different type of webinars that already are existing on this demo of review access site. You can see, for instance, that there is a recurring type of webinar, and there's an on-demand type of webinar. But I'll show you the other two options that are available. And in order to do that, I think the best way would be to kind of create, fast, without much ado, a small webinar. So basically, you will click on the Create New Webinar option. You give it a title just to make it easy, and then you will type a description, right? This is basically what it's going to create your registration page. So you will type what it is about and stuff like that, but in this particular case we're not going to do anything like that. You would have a time when the webinar is going to come. No, actually that's the time when your server, when you're trying to calculate all the times based on this part of the software. So not exactly when it's going to run. So I'm in Berlin, well, not in Berlin, but I'm in Germany. So I'm in the Berlin time. And then you can put tags in order to be able to search for webinars once you have a lot of them. And then you can upload a video. I'm not going to upload a video at this point, although it would be interesting to try. Let me see if I have something here that goes relatively fast. I'll try this one, and then I will pause this video because it's going to take some time, right? So, and I'll come back to you. So now it's finished. You can see here it's been uploaded. So basically we can go up and go to the next step. So I have a test, I have a title, you can, do a logo and all that stuff, but I'm not gonna go in all the details because below this video on my website, if you are watching this in YouTube, then you can click on the link below here that sends you to where I'm showing all the different bonuses, and there you can watch the demo video. But if not, if you're watching it on my website, there's going to be a demo video where they show everything, where Mario himself is showing everything. So let's go to the next step. So here, then you get to pick the type of webinar that you have. You have a recurring webinar, that where you can say, okay, when this webinar is going to take place, and you basically decide which days, every week, every day, or every month, in which repeat schedule, every day at what time, every week. Then you can pick on which day, right, or which set of days, or every month on which day of the month, right? So this is for recurring webinars. They repeat themselves constantly until the end of time. Or you say, okay, we're going to have this webinar X amount of days. You pick the amount of times it's going to repeat, and then you pick when it's going to repeat, and you can add different times for that. This one is the on demand only. So you say, okay, the person registers for the webinar, and then you say, okay, instantly they send to the page of the webinar, or you can say, okay, give them a delay of 5 minutes, and then to give the impression that it's just starting at that time, you say, okay, they have to wait for 5 minutes, they wait to 10 minutes, and something like that. So you can control that, and it gives the impression that it's starting actually for real. It's not the fact, but that's the impression that it gives. And then you have the single session to occur once, but it's a live like, which basically means that it looks like it is actually happening for real. The good thing with this thing is that even though it is live, right, you can be there, but it's not really live. How can I explain that? You have the webinar itself already pre-recorded, and then you attend the chat of the people who are registered for the webinar actually live. But the webinar itself, it's been pre-recorded. Does that make sense? So that's basically what these different options are. So I'm going to just click on multiple times just to have something, pick one thing there and select, one day, and then you just basically save. And that's basically what you do. Oh, it's been good. Thank you for your patience, because I uploaded a relatively big video, so it's taking some time. So once you have that, you have all these different options. You can have chat on, and how many you want to redirect attendees after the webinar, and a bunch of different interesting options. You can have a logo, you have your registration link. If we go to the registration page, this is how it looks like, when it's going to start and everything. Obviously, as you saw here, you can customize the registration page, but that's not what I want to show you. I want to show you here the different options. Email funnel. Love this. You can activate this in order to be able to write your own emails, but if you don't do it, then you can use these emails that are pre-written, right? And interestingly, look, is an instant confirmation, then 24 hours before, 12 hours before, 1 hour before, and 15 minutes before. So that's something that tells me this was created by marketers, because marketers want to make people come to the webinar, because only people are there present, then they're going to have a benefit and help people actually buy whatever you are selling through the webinar. You also have the webinar registrations. You can set up the form, you can add fields. Normally you have name, email, but let's say you want to also have the telephone, you can add that, and different stuff depending on how you do it. The app integration is if you are having people register and send to your autoresponder, then you can have your autoresponder. Obviously, first you have to set it up, and then here you have the list of all the different autoresponders that you can use. Mostly the most known ones, Aweber, GetResponse, and the group of popular autoresponders, ConvertKit, and so forth. And then you have the list of them. Then you can set up a thank you page and embed code, social media links, all the different things that you standardly have when you're actually doing internet marketing. You can brand, you can track, you can see which people have registered, and you can have this option, which is interesting, at the end, or normally it works like this. When the webinar is going, at some point you will have a button, you know, under the video or the presentation on the side at some part of the webinar where you'll say, okay, it's time to buy. And you have, I don't know, 10 minutes or 1 hour or whatever. And then you have a timer that's going down until the person decides to buy or not. So, and this way you can use scarcity, because you're not presenting the button to buy, the call to action to buy right at the beginning, but just when the person, maybe after 45 minutes or something, goes into the pitch section of the webinar, then you activate that, and then they have the button, they can buy, and you say, okay, I'm going to give you an hour to do that. If after an hour you don't buy, then the offer disappears. You know, the special offer that the webinar is giving just disappears. So that's configured here. You can add all the different options here, how to do that, and then once it's done, then you have everything. But as I said, if you want to see exactly how it works, you can look at the demo video below. I just wanted to give you an idea basically how it looks. You also have, you know, tutorials and stuff, how to do the different things, and you can also have you will have more videos and stuff here related to that. So now let's talk about my bonuses for this program. As I said, this is a very good option to actually help people generate a better income online, because you are doing the two things that are important: automation and high tickets through, as I explained, automated webinars. The webinars are pre-recorded. You can get webinars from actually different places. It's interesting. You can go to ClickBank and find one of the best offers that offer the best, you know, ROI. And very often they also have a webinar video already there that you can download, and you can use it in a situation like this, and you can set it everything up and then send them to your link for that particular offer. So which options do I have? Well, let's take a look. Let me go back to the computer and have, as I always do, the Crushing It for Free, which is basically a complete internet marketing system, basically concentrating in not spending too much money to be able to do stuff like this, you know. And it includes a free autoresponder, that a free up to a certain point, and that point is 15,000, you know, emails, you know, a group of 15,000 people that you can have registered on that autoresponder, and you can send them in a month up to 75,000 emails, and that will be completely free. I know you haven't heard about this because it's more a European autoresponder. So take a look. And then obviously we're talking about webinars. Webinar marketing pack is this bonus. It teaches you, you know, the important things that you need to keep in mind to create webinars that actually sell. Because as I mentioned before, I said, yeah, there is a part of the webinar where the presenter goes into the pitch section. That means there is a strategy behind creating these webinars, and you need to know which the strategy is, and that's something that's going to be taught here. And then I have, I think it's four different video marketing courses, so you can attack this thing from different angles. You have this video marketing blueprint, modern video marketing, Viking video marketing, which is very, very high quality, and then sales video formula 2. And then we have something also that gives you strategy about how to create video sales letters or video sales pages. And when you think about it, a webinar in reality is a what? Longer video sales page. So basically this is give you strategies and ideas about how to build a super high converting video sales letter. And the last one is also about strategy, but it's more about how to create videos for free, you know. So how can you do that? So it's a small bonus in the end. And that's not all. The main page offers, you know, the sales page from Everzippy offers even more bonuses that you can get bonuses. So you're getting a very big array of bonuses by going through my link. So I will expect you to benefit from it. And as I said, this gives you the option to, you know, not only start making small amounts of money, but increase the amount of money that you generate if you actually apply yourself, with the internet marketing stuff. So let's talk a little bit about the OTOs, or the one-time offers, because they are a little bit complicated, but if you understand what you're getting to, you have an idea of how much you can spend. Especially, and let me rephrase this, all these prices that I have on my page are prices during launch, and the prices are going to increase as the time passes, because the early birds gets the worm, basically. So there are two front-end options, the personal and the commercial one. You can see the price is $47 and $97. The personal version is going to give you only 10 of each type of webinars that can be active at a time. So you have 10 on demand, 10 recurring, and 10 multiple time webinars. And the commercial version will give you 100. And if you get the pro version, which is you basically have to get one of the front ends, it doesn't matter which one, and then you go to get the pro version, and then it gives you unlimited. So it would be actually not a bad idea, and I'm going to say this to my own detriment, to go with the personal version and then get the pro version, because in the end it goes to completely unlimited. So, and then you have the Everzippy reseller, which basically gives you the option to resell, and depending on the amount of licenses that you get the different prices, $199, $299, or $499. And then there's another option that if you take it, this offer, then basically you can replace GoToWebinar. And if you think about it, the price would be like, this is the perfect option to replace GoToWebinar, because GoToWebinar, if you, let's say, get the 1,000 SIP position for live webinars, you have to pay almost $500 a month. And this will be like a one-time. If you get the highest option, you will be paying $149. And you have a live webinar alternative. And this is the difference. Everzippy is for evergreen webinars that have been pre-recorded, and LiveZippy is for live webinars. Basically, you are actually being present there, or somebody, the presenter, is being present there and presenting at that particular moment. And you have to take into account that this program was created by marketers for marketers. So they have included everything that's related to marketing, which in contrast to what GoToWebinar does, it's a huge difference. And you can watch the demos on the sales page, and it will give you an idea exactly of what it is. But it's incredible. I've looked at all the different options that they offer. It's made by marketers for marketers, and that makes the huge difference. So, and then you have the last OTO, number 4, which is basically a done-for-you webinar marketing suite. I don't have to say much about it because it's, yeah. So, is there anything negative in the whole thing? Well, I don't like the name. Everzippy. I don't know where this zippy thing comes from. But in the end, if you think about Google also had a weird name at the beginning where people go like, Google, what's that? But today, we use the word Google for everything, right? We use it as a verb. It's part of, and I would say every single language on this planet where the internet is popular, they use, hey, can you Google that? So that will just give an answer to that, concern I have Everzippy. But the software I like a lot. So I hope you make a decision about what you want to do. But either way, I'm with you. I'll see you on the other side. Mr. Buck signing out.